putting in as much time as possible. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today, we would be looking at Hedera or Hbar, currently ranked at 29 with a market cap of about $2 billion, whatever 24-hour volume of about $155.28 million, and today, we are seeing some very interesting price action on the chart right here for Hedera, which we would be looking at. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so we're on the chat right here for Hedera hash graph versus the USD dollars. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, and you remember seeing right down for some of you that has been following us that we were holding the support right here, especially with this a 200 EMA, and we said I had air at is very bullish. Since then we have pushed up, came back to retest the smaller EMA is the 20 to 80 EMAs. And we have pushed up a warping at 16, so we have been saying head is still bullish. Yes, we could see some consolidation around this region, but because you can see we have seen that huge move of about 6% since then, so we should expect some sort of consolidation, but basically over the next few days, we should expect to see a push off about a 16 right gear for Hedera to the 0.07131 level, so that is what we should be expecting next, that push to this level of the 0.01731. For Hedera's at era is very bullish at the moment, because if we check some of our indicators, as you can see, radar outer rings are still expanding even though we are very overbought, but as you can see there is no sign of Hedera slowing down, and so we are still pushing to the upside. Right, so we basically could see some sort of consolidation over to the next few days, because we need to see this overboard come back into these rings, and then push back up. Right, that's the way the cloud indicator works. And so we basically might not see a breakout right here for Hedera, as we could see some sort of consolidation and then a breakout. Right, so we could see this come back into these rings into the 0 point and then push back to the upside. As you can see also an RC on our bar z-score indicator, as you can see we need to consolidate. We are pushing back down to the center level. Right, so we could still see H, but basically just consolidate right here while we push back, and then we see that huge push to the upside for Hbar, but generally Hbar is still very bullish, and we are expecting that push to the upside for Hbar. Right, so that's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Now, let's shift our focus to Ethereum. Ethereum has grown a lot in the last week and in the last day. How the market and investors feel about Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that makes it possible to make smart contracts and other apps that don't need a central server. dApps. And its native cryptocurrency, Ether, ETH, is used to run smart contracts and power the Ethereum network. As a pioneer in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community. The Ethereum network has changed the way we think about and use digital contracts, decentralized applications, and even fundraising through initial coin offerings. Ethereum's impact has led to innovation and inspired a lot of other projects to build on its foundation. This has helped the crypto space grow and develop as a whole. Ethereum's blockchain technology is the basis for many of the applications and projects in its ecosystem. Developers can build decentralized applications on Ethereum by using its smart contract functionality to make systems that are transparent, tamper-proof, and run on their own. This environment encourages new ideas in areas like decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, supply chain management, identity verification, and many others. One of the most important uses for Ethereum is in decentralized finance. DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to offer financial services like loans, borrowing, yield farming, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets. As people look for decentralized alternatives to standard financial systems, the growth of DeFi has made Ethereum more important and used. Because of what Ethereum can do, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and physical things, have become more popular. NFTs have become very famous in areas like digital art and video games. Collectibles and the rights to intellectual property. Because of its compatibility and strength, Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT growth and transactions. As Ethereum continues to grow and change, its future looks very bright. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's move to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has gotten a lot of attention from the crypto community because it could open up even more opportunities for Ethereum's growth and use. Its current value of 1920 and intriguing nature make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Its importance in the crypto community cannot be overstated, as Ethereum serves as a catalyst for innovation and decentralization with its strong ecosystem. Ethereum is used in many areas, including decentralized applications. Finance DeFi and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are changing the future of finance and digital ownership. As Ethereum keeps moving forward, its potential for growth and effect remains exciting for investors, developers, and the wider crypto community. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Price of Bitcoin. As of right now, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. In the last 24 hours, $6.1 billion worth of Bitcoin has been traded. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is at the top and has a market value of $571 billion. There are currently 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation, but the most that can be made is 21 million BTC coins. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin's support level, which is around $29,200, hasn't changed, and neither has the technical picture for it. BTC is dealing with a neutral bias right now because it is hard for it to go above $29,600 in the next 4 hours. BTC could hit the $30,200 level if there is a bullish breakout above the $29,600 level. The price of Bitcoin has reached $29,200, which is a key retracement mark of 61.8%. Seeing doji candles close above this level could be a sign of a rising correction. But if the price falls below this point, it could go down to $29,250. On the other hand, if BTC can break through the barrier at $30,200, it could move up to between $30,600 and $31,000. It's important to keep in mind that the areas between $29,800 and $30,200 are very important. Any possible moves below these levels could mean that BTC is headed in a downward direction.